Bitcoin very nearly reached the structural resistance we were looking at yesterday and is on its way back down. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about just how far down I think Bitcoin will go and what could be another point of entry, how to find it, how to set alerts so you don't miss it. Guys, this is going to be very crucial. You are not going to want to miss this next move on Bitcoin. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. I want to let you know we have a future forecast posted earlier this week, and this is talking about both the bullish and bearish sides of the market, as well as how we are handling it in both directions. Tomorrow, we're going to have a brand new future forecast out, and this is going to be talking even more in depth about risk management and what we are going to do in the event of market crashes. Getting started, we're trading Bitcoin USD on the 4-hour time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow, and trades in favor indicators. We saw price versus while money flow high, we saw trades in favor high, and we got a sell signal as we touched this resistance. This crashed the market as is to be expected when we get this combination of signals. This is what's called a bearish trifecta. Most often, it's going to send the price crashing. When looking to buy back in, we want to see the opposite. We want to see price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, and a buy or strong buy signal, and most often, this will correlate to much larger moves up. Price versus while money flow means that whales have oversold and are likely to buy back in. When you see this green line move up, it means whales are buying, and that's going to correlate to price increases. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. From there, if this white line on the trades in favor drops into the long trade zone, it means that downwards momentum has run out and we're likely to bounce to the upside. Back here, downwards momentum runs out, we bounce to the upside. You're going to see this happen repeatedly. From there, we want to see a buy or strong buy signal, and most often that's going to indicate ideal candle entries, but you want to make sure if you get a buy or strong buy signal that you are lining it up with at least one of these indicators, ideally two. You want to have all three lining up to create the full bullish trifecta. 2 is great, but 3 almost guarantees a move up. In fact, it's about an 80% chance of a pump if you get these signals. With that in mind, we're actually 284 wins and 0 losses in our trade calls over the last 25 months. And that's thanks to the risk management that we will be discussing in tomorrow's future forecast. And I'll show you as we get closer to a potential buy opportunity as well. Using the strategy, our members are crushing it. This person became debt-free. This person says you hands down have the best indicators. 10% profit, 50 to 70% profit, 103% profit in 34 days. Knowing that, what is the point we are likely to see Bitcoin bottom out? Well, we are going to head over to CoinGlass. This is the Bitcoin BTC USDT liquidation heat map. We're on the weekly time frame, and you're going to notice a large amount of color in this area. Most often, whales are going to try and drop the price in order to liquidate anybody that was taking long trades. People that were longing right about here are going to get liquidated right around here, and this is going to drop the market even further. This is called a long squeeze. It takes out a lot of the upwards momentum, a lot of the upwards pressure, and allows the price to drop further. Now, this may sound frustrating, but this is actually a buy opportunity, and this is what whales are going to use that for. We can see the bottom of this range of colors sits right at about $80,242. From there, I think we could see a bounce back up towards the $84,000 range. Taking a look at our chart, let's grab a horizontal line and figure out where that $80,200 mark is. Right about here, a little bit lower, but we see an $80,000 structure support. And I think as whale money moves out of the market, whales are selling, it's going to drop the price, and downwards momentum is going to run out right around that support. Price versus while money flow will be low, trades in favor will be low, and if we see a buy or strong buy, that could be a great place to enter before the next move up, potentially to try and retest this resistance level. We need to be careful though. If whale money crashes out of the market on both the 4-hour and the daily time frame, because we do still have room for that to happen, this is where we could see larger moves down. But we'll cross that bridge when we get there. For now, let's set alerts. I want to make sure we don't miss this next potential entry. We're going to go to the alerts tab. And remember, we're on the 4-hour time frame here. We're going to click create alert, switch this to the trades in favor, watch for pump, once per bar close, and we're going to name it. Bitcoin 4-hour watch for pump, click create. Next alert is going to be under the TC top and bottom finder. This time it'll be a buy signal, once per bar close, and we're going to name it. Bitcoin 4-hour buy, click create. And the last signal is going to be under the TC top and bottom finder. Again, this time it'll be a strong buy, once per bar close, and name it. Bitcoin 4-hour strong buy, click create, and these three signals, or I'm sorry, these three alerts are going to help you find that next bullish trifecta. Buyer strong buy alert is sent to your device. It means a buy or strong buy signal has posted to your charts. Watch for pump alert means that the downwards momentum has run out, and we've seen this white line close in the long trade zone to indicate a likely bounce is going to happen. If any of these three alerts post, be sure to check your remaining indicators to see if that bullish trifecta has, or at least is close to, forming. If you want to stay updated, we're going to keep you updated the best we can, but our members can actually get access to these indicators right here for up to, let's head back to the homepage here, $550 off. And that's on top of money-making benefits like the future forecast, trade setups, metrics across 40 coins, morning brew overviews, and our monthly Inner Circle live Zoom hangout. And if you want to sign up, links are in the description down below. Membership is the first link. Click that. It'll bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. Less than $50 to get started. And if we head to the indicator page, you're going to get $150 off with the coupon code at this link. Click Pro Indicator Pack. Click I want this. This is where the remainder of the discount is coming in. Throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, which adds up to a full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for tomorrow's future forecast episode. Don't miss out.